Sombero will try a free. Pounding, nagiging problema ng Imus so far in this ball game. Olegario counters with a free of his own. Again, Imus playing without some of their scorers like Noel Santos, JP Belencion, Janjan Salazar. Trailing by 17 after that made basket by Beltran. Sumugod naman agad si Jer Olegario.
Gusto niya yatang merong kamay sa harap niya.
Sidestep, Beltran. Pasa ay Ferrer. Recovers and gets the friendly bounce on that free.
Seems to be an outside shooting match for both squads. Let's see it. Answer back. Quick there.
Shooting 14% coming into this game, but able to hit that one. Makalawang tres in this period para kay
3-pointers made by both teams, and we're just starting the third quarter.
Olegario umikot, kissing it off the glass and in.
That's quick 9 points para kay Olegario. A lot of it breaking down the defense of Malones. And another steal by him.
Tumila pa in en route to that layup. Tatalbog palabas. Olegario kicks it out. Robinson for free. Second triple of the ball game for Jeremy Robinson.
Wala, kuya kami. Bawal sila. Bawal pumalag eh. Hindi sila makakapasok ng kotse tsaka kwarto pagka may ginawa silang ganyan eh.
Nalala ko kasi, I don't know if you listen to
Kaming dalawa usually ang magkakampi. So,
and then your eldest, pati si
hindi,
Ael.
ako yung eldest. So si Ael.
Eldest?
Ako panganay.
Okay.
So the one that came out, parehas kasing scorer yung dalawa eh. Si Ael tsaka yung sumunod sa akin. Kami ni Gab. Mga pizza pa, sina Jonathan
si
pa,
Coach
si Coach
Tantan.
Jonathan. So madami pa yan. May mga pizza pa kami naglaro sa FU, naglaro rin sa Ateneo.
Oo nga. Tantan and Gab, not far apart no, in terms of age.
I think they're a year apart.
Yeah.
A year or 2 years apart.
Jeremy Robinson for Valenzuela. 82 points. We're not even halfway through the third quarter. If you're Ibos, you would want to offer much more resistance than that. Malones spots up for free. They get a stop. Malones. Pinasahan si Beltran of Jeremy Robinson. 5-on-3 fast break. Olegario lumusob sa loob. Lays it in for 2. Supply yung kanyang tres. Olegario binitbit. Last second dish papunta kay Jay Collado. Nag-slide in. Bounce pass. Christian Ferrer puts it in.
Both guards, Malones and Olegario, are breaking down the defense of their opponents. Once they get to the lane, they're able to find their big men.
How about Robinson?
Coach Mike Sagigit. Tsaka Paolo...
Hindi, si Coach Mike sa Olivares.
Olivares sila.
Si Coach Renzi.
Correct.
Renzi Bahar sa Diliman College. Marquez lines it up.
Mga senya sa atin,
Kaya nga,
hindi natin maintindihan. Nalilito tayo.
Kala ko sumisenyas ng traffic eh. Robinson, pasa kay Jay Collado, pabandang tira, pasok yan.
Sa patong hindi pa tapos, Jay Collado, 20 points.
Makes his move, dumps it down low, Destacamento, pocket pass. That will count for Justin Alano after exploding for 23 points in the first 2 quarters. Natapik ng mga habang galamay ni King Destacamento yung bola. Pass to Shaq Alanes. Open free, short. Running start for Dylan Darbin. Wala kay Shaq Alanes. Darbin had to adjust. But able to score anyway. Bola na agaw ni Calma. Lefty finish from JJ Calma. Destacamento. Obuyes finding himself open. Alanes off the dribble. Na-recover ni Jello Obuyes. Titira sa tres. Pasok yan. Mamaradlo taking his time. 4 seconds remaining. Inside. Almost got it in. Might have gotten away with a walk.